Many companies find themselves maintaining multiple CAD systems because of the challenges of data migration and user adoption. This results in both a less effective design process and a less efficient workforce. But with easy-to-learn Creo, you have the tools to overcome these challenges, streamlining your processes using a single CAD system. With Creo, migrating your existing CAD data is simple. Thanks to Creo's Unite technology, users can easily open files from CATIA, Siemens NX, SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, and others. You can incorporate the objects directly into your design, and you don't even need to convert the files into Creo objects. And if you do need to make changes to non-Creo parts, Creo will automatically convert just the affected components on demand instead of requiring conversion of all the parts in the assembly. This minimizes the time, effort, and burden spent on data migration. The powerful flexible modeling capabilities in Creo allow users to easily make changes to imported geometry. You can quickly and easily modify the converted part to meet your design requirements or create new design intent. With easy-to-learn Creo, you can confidently consolidate onto a single CAD platform to streamline your design process, reduce costs, and enable workforce agility. Start reaping the benefits today. Creo, design the way it should be.